Our field of research is cancer, and it's a very broad field, as you may imagine. We study how cells move away and spread throughout the body from the site where they may have initially started growing. I think the kind of unique aspect of what we do here at Cal State University Northridge is to provide outstanding research opportunities for these students that come through our laboratories. Really from the get-go here, when I started in 2012, we've integrated undergrads in our research program, and they are doing projects that require quite a bit of critical thinking, planning, experimental design, data analysis. They're not just a pair of hands in the laboratory to get some more work done. I enjoy the group that I get to mentor, the trainees in the group, the diversity, and just not just diversity gender or ethnically or socioeconomically, diversity of educational training and level of scientists that we have in the lab. We have newbies in the lab that are just starting out as undergraduates, and we have Ph.D. level scientists in the group that are taking on new projects and trying to really push the boundaries of what we're doing.